All right, folks, I'm sorry that one cut me off and I was talking to Cameron. But so Cameron, we know teachers wrote this problem. Now I've got x minus 3 over 2 squared is equal to 81 over 4. Now I'm going to take the square root of both sides. Jet, be careful. This is x minus 3 over 2 on the left side. On the right side, it's plus and minus 9 over 2. So now I've got two things that I have to solve. I'm going to add 3 over 2 to both sides. That's going to give me x equals 3 over 2 plus 9 over 2, and x equals 3 over 2 minus 9 over 2. All right, I got to do the plus and I have to do the minus. So this first one, I'm going to get x is equal to 12 over 2, which is 6. In the second one, x is equal to negative 6 over 2, which is what, negative 3? Perfect. That's my solution. Okay? Now it's a good way to learn completing the square. Let's look at another one. I'm sorry, I know I'm a little bit behind. So now we're on the third video, and we're on the third example. Okay. Example number 3 says, solve 5x squared plus 8x plus 1 equals 0 by completing the square. Give irrational roots in simplest form. Okay. This one's a little bit different. That's why we're going to do it. 5x squared plus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. I don't want this thing back here, so I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. And now I've got 5x squared plus 8x plus something is equal to negative 1 plus something. But I'm still not happy. Does anyone see what doesn't work right now to make this thing a perfect square? Walker? There's a 5 in front of the x squared. What do you think we should do? No. Divide everything by 5. Okay. Good. So now I've got now I've got x squared plus 8/5 x plus something is equal to negative 1/5 plus something. No, it's not something over 5. In fact, I should just leave that off of there. Let's not even put it there yet. Okay? I moved the 1 to the other side, and it became negative 1/5. I'm sorry, it became negative, okay. It became negative 1, and then I just divided everything by 5. Okay? So now I've got x squared plus 8/5 x is equal to negative 1/5. And I'm going to add something to both sides. What do I do here? What do I do here? Mr. Cortez, I have no idea, because we're going to do this one absolutely different than we did all the others. No. What do we do, Lauren C? Good morning. How are you? We divide it by 2, but in this case we were not going to divide by 2. We're going to multiply by 1/2, right? Okay? So if I multiply this thing by 1/2, right, I'm going to multiply by 1/2. What do I get? What do I get, Millet? I get 8 over 10, which is 4/5. So what's my perfect square going to be, boy? Or 4/5.
Yeah.
Okay. Now it's going to cut me off again in this time. All right. That's what the perfect square is going to be in just a minute. Okay. We're going to take that, we're going to square 4/5 and add it to this side, so we make it a perfect square. Okay. We'll do that in the next video.